What are you doing? What are you doing, Aiden? Where are you? Huh? What are you doing?
You should
do
talk
today?
to her.
Huh?
Talk to her.
What are you doing?
He's smiling so wide.
Ah, there he goes. Aiden, what are you doing? Tell me what you're doing.
He's about to roll over the couch.
He's about ready to fall off the couch. That's what I'm doing. Hi, Aiden. What are you doing? Huh? Hi, Aiden.
There's
What
the
are
phone.
you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
He's totally talking to you.
I know. Aiden, what are you doing? Really? All that in one day? Really? I can't believe it. What happened? Huh? What happened after that? Huh?
He's thinking about it.
Where'd you go? You done talking to me? Huh?
He's almost rolling off the couch right now.
Oh my gosh, he's so sneaky cute. Is
Okay.
he looking at the phone like he's over?
He was, and now he's like on my shoe.
Oh, there you go.
I'm going to send this to you.